Okay.
Okay, we're putting the post back together now. And our center part here is the toughest because we have all the gaps where the boards come in. We have one here, one over here, and one here. So you can see we have multiple pieces. We're steel wool or wire brushing them off as I put them in. I mixed up the mortar really loose. It's fiber surface bonding. And we're also using this. Normally you use it like this, but in this case they did a beam. So I'm using it this way and I'm wetting it. It seems to work better. I'm not as professional as what they were. I'm not getting it straight, but I'm getting the effect and it'll do. Now the other thing we did was originally these blocks here were concreted in and they had pulled them out probably because it started breaking up and they had shoved them under the porch. So we pulled them back out. We're dry laying them with crushed limestone underneath. And then the porch will come here. So they're just gonna be dry laid in there. We just want this showing. We're gonna have to do something because we have a gap here. So we're gonna move that one. Once we get this up, we'll move it over here and then we're gonna have a gap. And we're gonna have to either make some or if we find the other pieces, we will use them, but we may have to make some. And then once we get this column up, we're gonna have to let this sit for a few days. We're not gonna be back here for a week anyways. So after I get this row up, we'll let it sit, let everything harden. I'm gonna pour concrete around the base more, so I have a bigger pad to give it more support. And we need to, once we get this water, we have to make sure the water is going down in there, because what was happening is going around the post. It was probably just causing the dirt to settle and then going crooked on us. So we need to get this one straightened out, and then we have to do the same on the others. But that's where we're at. Oh, we also laid up some, dry laid some solid concrete blocks to give us more support, more feet on the ground. The support will come into here, but I like having multiple supports. I don't like just a one span. And we don't have footer in there, so the more we get on, the more feet on the ground we get, the better it'll be. Yes, it's going to move and flex with the season some, but it shouldn't be that dramatic.
Well, there's a footer here.
There is, hopefully there is a footer here. We don't really know. There was concrete there. It went down into the ground. How far it went in the ground, we don't know. We did find a hole in here, a deep hole. Once we dug, there was a hollow cavern in there, probably about 2 foot by 2 foot. So we filled that up with some concrete that was pulled off of here before and some dirt. So that's all filled in. Hopefully there's no others, but we didn't find any others. So back